Welcome to Fruit and Veggie Fun! Meet our colorful friends who have some amazing facts to share. Red the apple. Hi, I'm Red. Sun, water, and air help me grow. I'm full of vitamins that keep you healthy and strong. Betty the banana. Hey there, I'm Betty. I'm full of potassium, which helps you have energy and strong muscles. Peel and enjoy. Meet Strawberry. She's red, juicy, and super yummy. Strawberries have seeds on their outside. They're full of vitamins and make us healthy and strong. Oranges are round fruits that are orange in color and taste sweet and juicy like a burst of sunshine. Tomatoes are red fruits that grow on vines, and they're super tasty in salads, sandwiches, and pasta sauces. Carrots are long, crunchy vegetables that are orange in color and are great for our eyes and teeth. Corn, the golden knight of the veggie kingdom, dances into meals, bringing smiles to every plate and joy to every bite.